Hey there, press the bell icon and never miss a video on cybersecurity and technology.
Hello everyone, this is Ansh from Bitten Tech. Ever thought of making some cool posters for any event? Ever wanted to make amazing posters for someone's birthday, marriage, parties, or for any business or professional purpose? Well, here I am with a very easy and hassle-free method to make beautiful custom posters online, and that too absolutely free. DesignCap is the one-stop shop for making professional and funky looking posters for any type of need. Turn your creativity into stunning posters with ease. Just make a thought and you will find a category of your choice. There are classical posters, animal posters to write some touching thoughts, movie posters to promote a premiere, safety posters to spread social awareness, school posters, party posters, birthday posters, missing posters, travel posters, and many more. The biggest catch here is they are all customizable. You get hundreds of customizations on any of your choosing. DesignCap has a wide variety of stock resources, so you can never get out of cool graphics and fonts. And yes, it is absolutely free. You just need to choose a template, add elements and your own customizations to it, and you are all ready to download and use it. So here I will make a simple birthday poster to give you an idea of this service. Click on Make a Free Poster to get started. You will come to the main application page. Here you have to choose from various categories. Since I am making a birthday poster, I will choose the birthday category. Here are some birthday templates. Choose any one you like. Now it's time to customize it. You can add your own photo from your computer or choose from the default ones. I am adding a photo from my computer. You can resize, crop, and set color options of your photo. It also has the layer support. You can change the text font, size, preset, and color. You can also add some cool looking clip arts relevant to your poster from the resources. There are clip arts for every category. You can also change the background of the poster. It supports solid, gradient and patterns. Finish customizing and ready with your template. You can directly share the poster on social media or download it. To download it, click on the download icon on top. Set name and select the format and size. I always prefer extra large size as it is compatible with any type of application. Then click on save to download your creation. So this was DesignCap, a hassle-free, simple yet amazing website for poster making. It certainly is 4.5 stars out of 5. I think it should also allow users to add custom backgrounds of their own. But overall, it is a must-visit website. So why waste money hiring others to do the work when you can create one on your own with this powerful tool? So do check out this service from the link given in the description and share it with your friends and family. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more information like this on cybersecurity, technology and programming. So until my next video, stay tuned, keep watching and goodbye.